Cześć! Welcome back to Polish with Blondes and your second lesson in Polish basics. So last time we went through some very basic phrases in Polish like Cześć, jak się masz, mam na imię Zuzia, miło mi Cię poznać, dzięki, dziękuję, and so on. And today we'll be focusing on ways to say hello and goodbye. But first, I was wondering what you think of this. Do you think Polish people are generally open? And do you think we would find it awkward if someone went up to us on the street? I'm curious. Let me know in the comments down below. So let's get started with lesson number 2. All right, so we'll start with the least formal to the most formal ways to say hello. First, siema. And this one's actually not that common, but I thought it's literally the most informal way. And it actually comes from the phrase jak się masz, which means how are you? Siema. Then we have cześć, which you already know, and it means both hello and goodbye. And then hej, witaj. And then if you're talking to a group of people, you will say witajcie, witajcie. And lastly, dzień, dobry. Dzień, dobry. And here you might be already thinking, there are already some sounds that maybe I cannot pronounce or I'm not familiar with. And don't worry, the next lesson is going to be just about that. So we'll be discussing all the Polish sounds that you can think of. Si, ci, zi, all of them. All right, so let's recap. Siema, cześć, hej, witaj, witajcie, dzień dobry, dzień dobry. And here again, I'll start with the least formal to the most formal ways to say goodbye. And first we have cześć, once again, pa or papa, na razie, which means until next time, na razie. And lastly we have do zobaczenia, do zobaczenia, do widzenia, do widzenia. And also you could, when saying goodbye, you could say have a nice day, so that would be miłego dnia, miłego dnia, miłego wieczoru, have a nice evening, miłego wieczoru, dobranoc, good night, dobranoc. Thank you for being with me in this second lesson of Polish basics. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, I would love it if you click the subscribe button. It would really motivate us to keep on creating more videos, more lessons. So I'll see you in the next video, lesson 3 of Polish basics. Cześć!